Kochi, Mendy tell me say you dey call me.
Kneel down there.
Kochi, wetin I do?
I say kneel down there. Person tell me say you follow for people where they contest for Ballon d'Or.
No be lie, sir. E never too tey when I just come back from the ceremony, sir.
I wan ask you one question. How you go dey contest for that kind prestigious award when ordinary to trap ball you never still learn up till now for your career?
Haba, Kochi. That one na mistake na. That ball dey very high.
Shut up your dirty mouth. As a professional footballer, you suppose fit trap anything. Whether na shot put o, abi na asteroid wey dey enter this earth.
Oh my
as far as say you
God.
dey contest for world best, you suppose fit trap anything.
Haba, Kochi.
I say shut up! Your mates Zlatan and Babatov, you never watch their video see how dem dey trap ball?
Kochi, those guys no be my mate o.
Your father!
Yeah.
You think say he sabi play ball? I no know say he be quack player.
But Kochi, I later cancel my mistake na.
Which mistake he cancel?
Kochi, I score PK na.
The only thing wey he sabi for him life na to dey score PK. When last you even score normal goal?
I no fit remember, sir.
You see am?
Kochi, no.
Foolish player. Which mumu for this life even put you for nomination sef? Now you think say you sabi play ball? Useless quack player. Because of you, Liverpool and Man City don dey blow us hot breeze for yash now. Get out of here, Joe. Better go learn how to trap ball o. Because na you go still dey hold my misfit for me.
Okay, sir.
Useless player.
E don come to my notice say some of una don dey talk say Sarri sabi predict game. If you ask me that guy no sabi anything. Him be madman wey dey predict anything wey dey in mind. But if you insist say you go bet wetin him talk, make sure say you use the no risk bet promo wey 1xbet dey do. So that if you later see say the guy dey predict nonsense, at least you no go lose your money.
Who that predict nonsense?
Na you na, no be madman you be. Nonsense.
Na your ancestors be madmen. Jealousy jollof lies. My people, if una dey go register, make sure say una use the promo code GNEXT so that una go get extra 200% of your initial deposit wey una put. No forget to read the rules and conditions for every promo wey you wan enter o, and dey also remember to bet with sense. Thank you.
Oga Mario and Sarri, una welcome.
Kobala.
Thank you, my guy. Sorry, how far now? Why you go dey collect 4 from Osimhen less Napoli? Una forget to do training during the week.
So, because you manage win Torino 1-0, na you da open your nonsense mouth for my face.
Na normal question I dey ask you na. You forget to do training?
Kobala, abeg do your thing, make man comot for here.
The mumu no fit answer simple question.
Molinho, no let me open chapter for your head though. You know say I fit use mouth like biography on top your head.
Come off for here, Joe. Kubala, abeg do your thing.
Okay, sir. Oga Sarri, you watch that Chelsea Man U match?
I watch am now. All those fans wey dey blame my boy Jorginho Hoba, make I no catch them for Lord.
You been expect say Man U go fit draw that game with Chelsea?
My brother, I no be octopus o. I no get tentacles. Wetin I know be say, any club wey change coach, fear them. See Gelad na, even Norwich sef don decline comot for relegation just because dem change coach.
Wetin you go come talk for Newcastle?
That one no follow. That Newcastle disease wey hold them no go gree leave them until dem go quarantine for championship. And for Chelsea, last Toko na Momo. The guy go dey sub like secondary school PE teacher.
Oga Mario, that same Man U go welcome Arsenal for Old Trafford, and e be like say na that Ralph Ragnick go assume head coach position. Who you think say go win for that match?
Nobody. Na stone cold draw dem go play for that match. Unless Maguire perform that in normal magic wey him dey do.
Wetin you mean by magic?
All those in stupid errors na. You no dey see them?
So you think say Man U fit play draw with Arsenal? No let that their Chelsea match deceive you o. And anyway, based on say Man U don change coach, I go give them benefit of the doubt.
Oga Sarri, wetin you get to talk about Gerrard since when you start dey coach Aston Villa?
At least, unlike Molinho wey dey here, Gerrard get sense and better potential.
How do you smush your mouth there, idiot? As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe say make them subscribe o.